Tripura marked a significant step in enhancing its digital infrastructure and security posture with the inauguration of a new cybersecurity policy and the launch of the Bharat Setu workshop. The dual event underscores the state's commitment to creating a secure digital environment and educating its citizens about cyber hygiene.
And natural heritage. The other three holds a place of great pride in Tripura's identity as an official state tree.
The Bharat Setu workshop is a key initiative aimed at bridging the knowledge gap in cybersecurity. The newly inaugurated cybersecurity policy for Tripura is designed to strengthen the state's cyber defense mechanism, establish clear protocols for handling data breaches and cyber incidents, and promote the responsible use of digital technology across government departments and the public sector.
Data which we have given to somebody to preserve and hold gets leaked because of a cyber incident. Therefore, it's very, very important. I think it's a space where much more action is needed, coordination across agencies is needed, and this kind of coordination, the DGP mentioned about cooperative federalism, working together is something that we need to do a lot more of. And what I was extremely heartened to notice yesterday during my visits is the way seamlessly the Directorate of Information Technology here in Tripura has worked with NIC and various other government agencies to make sure that there is a way in which synergistically the programs are developed by NIC and then they are deployed and operated through DIT across various departments, and there is a almost completely seamless interaction in the way that this goes on. So those opportunities are also huge, and I think in that sense, you truly stand out as an example for many other states in the country to actually adopt a very proactive and a very synergistic, convergent approach to make sure that these operations are effective and these operations are something that we do on an ongoing basis to ensure that the better services are delivered. And I think we need to take a similar approach, and today's Bharat Setu is a step in the right direction of better collaboration between central agencies and state agencies to actually deliver the results to the people in the space of cybersecurity. Likewise, I'd like to also emphasize that,
Reporter Pranav from Chini, Khorang.